This cake serves a great dessert at any occasion. Its warm fudgy and gooiness is totally irresistible. This hot fudgy dump cake is egg-free and made with basic ingredients easily available at home. Hey guys, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hot fudgy eggless dump cake. Dump cake? I'm literally going to dump all the ingredients into my baking tray, stir it up and bake it. So let's get started. I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour to the baking tray, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3/4 cups of sugar and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now stir the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of chopped and roasted hazelnuts. Now I'm going to combine all the ingredients. Once the ingredients are all combined, I'm going to press it down and spread it evenly to the tray. Now I'm going to sprinkle 3/4 cups of brown sugar, one tablespoon of cocoa powder, and now finally I'm pouring 2 cups of hot water. I'm not going to stir this now, I'm going to put it straight into my preheated oven at 200 degrees for 40 minutes. My hot fudgy eggless dump cake is now ready. I'm going to now serve it in bowls. It's super rich and chocolatey with fudgy layers on the inside. This cake is always best served when it's hot with a scoop of ice cream. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.